In 2015, a total of 6.7 million people visited the Statue of Liberty in the Mount Rushmore National Memorial. The Statue of Liberty had 1.9 million more visitors than the Mount Rushmore National Memorial. How many visitors did each of these attractions have? Let's first define variables for our unknowns. We'll let x equal the number of visitors to the Statue of Liberty. We'll then let y equal the number of visitors to the Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Now we can write equations using the information that we're given. We're told that a total of 6.7 million people visited. So if x and y are both in millions, then we know that x plus y is equal to 6.7. We're also told that the Statue of Liberty had 1.9 million more visitors than the Mount Rushmore National Memorial. That is, x is equal to y plus 1.9. Now we have a system of equations in two variables, so we can solve for the variables. To do that, let's use substitution. We have our second equation in terms of x, so we can substitute that expression for x into the first equation. When we do that, we have y plus 1.9 plus y is equal to 6.7. Simplifying on the left side, we have 2y plus 1.9 is equal to 6.7. Subtracting 1.9 from both sides, we have 2y equals 4.8. And dividing both sides by 2, we have y equals 2.4. Now we can solve for x by substituting 2.4 for y into either of the original equations. We'll choose the second equation because it's already solved for x. We have x equals 2.4 plus 1.9. Adding, we get x is equal to 4.3. We can check the solution by substituting 4.3 for x and 2.4 for y back into both equations, and we find that this solution does satisfy both equations, and therefore we have found the correct final answer. Now we can state the final answer by recalling what x and y represent. Since x is 4.3, we know that 4.3 million people or visitors went to the Statue of Liberty in 2015. And since y is 2.4, we know that there were 2.4 million visitors to the Mount Rushmore National Memorial in 2015.